Welcome to this Excel tutorial on how to merge cells. Merging cells in Excel helps to create visually appealing headers, labels, or titles that span across multiple columns. It improves the organization and presentation of data, making it easier to understand and navigate within the worksheet. In this tutorial, we will learn how to combine cells into a single cell using the Merge Across feature in Excel. Let's get started. First of all, select the cells you want to merge. To select multiple cells, click and drag your mouse pointer across the desired cells. Once the cells are selected, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Alignment group, you will find the Merge and Center button. Click on the down arrow there. You can see here we find 4 more options. From here, Merge and Center, and Merge Cells, work almost in a similar way. They will merge cells completely. But if you select Merge Across, it will merge cells horizontally across a row. By clicking on any option, the selected cells will be merged into a single cell, and the contents of the upper left cell will be centered within the merged cell. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to merge cells in Excel using the Merge feature of Excel. Now you can use this knowledge to create visually appealing headers or labels in your Excel worksheets. Remember, using merged cells should be done sparingly and for specific purposes, such as creating a header or label that spans across multiple columns. Avoid using merged cells for data entry or calculations as it can complicate sorting, filtering, and manipulating data. However, if for any reason, you need to unmerge the merged cells, how will you do that? Here is the method. To unmerge cells in Excel, select the merged cell or cells that you want to unmerge. Again, from the Home tab, go to the Alignment group, then click on the Merge and Center button's down arrow. It will toggle to Unmerge Cells. Unmerge Cells is the 4th option here. Click the Unmerge Cells button, and the selected cells will be unmerged. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy Excelling!